to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious seafood dish. As you know, as many people love the boiling crab, well, this is my recipe. I hope you enjoy it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Show you that I have deveined and cleaned very well all the shrimp. Look at this. I deveined it really good and they're nice and rinsed through running water. I am going to leave the skin on because the skin is going to give this amazing recipe such a delicious flavor. Of course, I have the crab legs here. They are pre-cooked. I am just going to rinse them really good and then they are ready to go into this amazing boiling crab recipe. Look at this. Look how delicious and meaty they look. Of course, I have all the ingredients here. Step by step how to make this amazing and delicious recipe at home. I know that it's kind of intimidated, but let me tell you, if I could make this amazing recipe at home, you can make it too. I have the little mini potatoes. I have the sweet corn. Of course, from one corn, I am going to make 3 pieces. I want the corn to really absorb all those amazing flavors of the juices. I have boiled eggs here, nice and boiled. I took the skin off. I have 1.5 cups of garlic cloves. Yes, 1.5 cups of garlic cloves. This is really going to make this amazing recipe delicious. I have 1 cup of the red hot sauce and all these spices. We're going to start by boiling the mini potatoes and the sweet corn only for 15 minutes. We're going to leave it here, cook it for about 15 minutes, and when the potato is al dente, we're going to remove. And here, this is the best part, making all these amazing garlic cloves really creamy and delicious. And of course, the new generation is helping me to make this amazing recipe. Her name is Yamilet. She is helping me make this delicious boiling crab recipe at home. Remember, stop your food processor, clean the sides so that you get all those big pieces of the garlic down, and then you mix it again until it's nice and smooth, just like a paste. We're going to turn it on one more time and get it nice and smooth. Once this is done, then we are ready to continue with the unsalted butter. Yes, not margarine. We are using unsalted butter. We are going to start cooking the unsalted butter melting away slowly, medium heat, and we are ready to add all the garlic inside. Believe me, the garlic really gives everything such a delicious and amazing flavor. We are going to incorporate it really good into the butter. And here in this mixture, we are going to add all the spices. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Look at this. I am adding the crab right on the bottom of this slow cooker. I'm going to add it on the bottom because you know that it's already cooked. But the reason that I'm adding in the bottom is that when I add all those flavors on top of it, the crab is really going to absorb all those amazing flavors. Organize it so it's one whole, cover the whole bottom. Here I have 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of each spice. Yes, it seems a lot, but let me tell you, these spices are really going to make a difference in this boiling crab recipe. And of course, you have that sauce already on my channel. And here I am going to add the red hot sauce, 1 whole cup. Incorporate it really good. I'm cooking it in medium-low heat. I'm adding 3 cups of water. The water where I was cooking the potatoes and the sweet corn. I am going to leave it here, let it simmer. I have my sausages here. Any kind of sausage. I have Italian sausage, and I'm organizing this big container with everything. I'm adding the sweet corn and I'm adding the potatoes. I'm going to try and spread them around so everything is nice and covered with all those amazing drippings and sauce and shrimp. So I'm going to take my time and I'm really going to, distribute everything slowly, making sure that everything is coated. Look how beautiful this looks. Okay, it's been already boiling for about 5 minutes, and now I am ready to turn it off and continue. Continue by adding the boiled eggs. Yes, the boiled eggs are going to absorb all those flavors of the sauce. I know it seems a lot, but we are a big family and we're all going to enjoy this amazing boiling crab recipe. I have the sausage here. I'm going to add it. I'm going to cook it. And of course, I'm going to add the shrimp right on the top. Once you add your shrimp, you're going to add the delicious sauce on the top, making sure that everything is nice and coated. Look at this. I'm going to mix it around. Once the shrimp starts changing color, and you know that happens really fast because the shrimp cooks really fast. So once I see one of the shrimps changing color, I am going to go ahead and add it to the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. Oh my God, my home smells amazing. I am going to cook it for at least 10 minutes to 15 minutes, covered, and then I'm ready to serve. Your mouth is watering. Make this amazing recipe at home. I can't wait to enjoy. This is how we're going to enjoy it. White rice on the bottom and everything on the top. Look how amazing this looks. I hope you give it a try. I am completely done with this amazing boiling crab recipe made at home with lots of love. I hope you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.